You know that sinking feeling when you leave a conversation thinking, I should have said this differently? Or that moment when you realize the other person completely steered the discussion? What if I told you there's a way to never feel that way again?
Personal story.
Last month, I was in a meeting where everyone was talking over each other. I used to be the guy who'd leave such situations feeling unheard, but that day, I applied one simple technique and walked out as the most influential person in the room. And today, I'm sharing that exact method with you.
The 3 conversation game changers.
1. The power of strategic silence. Most people rush to fill silence, but when you pause intentionally, you achieve 2 things. 1. You appear more thoughtful. 2. You make the other person reveal more than they intended. It's like psychological jujitsu, using their momentum to your advantage. 2. The mirror method. This isn't about imitation. It's about subtly matching their energy, their pace, even their body language. When someone feels subconsciously that you get them, they naturally become more open to your ideas. 3. The question framework. Instead of asking what questions, ask how and why questions. What gives you facts? How and why give you insights into their thinking process, their motivations, their fears.
Real-world scenarios. Let's take a job interview. Most people try to impress with their answers, but the person who asks, "What's the biggest challenge your team is facing right now?" instantly positions themselves as a problem solver, not just a candidate.
Practical implementation. The 2-second rule. Before responding, always take 2 seconds. This breaks the pattern of reactive speaking and shifts you into responsive mode. The 70-30 principle. Listen 70% of the time, speak 30%. When you speak less, your words carry more weight. The bridge technique. Always connect your points to their interests. Instead of, I think, try, based on what you just said, I'm thinking. Transformation story. I taught these techniques to Sarah, a client who struggled with client meetings. Within 2 weeks, she went from being overlooked to leading the conversation. Her exact words were, I finally feel heard. Call to action. I taught these techniques to Sarah, a client who struggled with client meetings. Within 2 weeks, she went from being overlooked to leading the conversation. Her exact words were, I finally feel heard.